Nasuna Edith, a senior principal nursing officer at Mulago Hospital, revealed that many nurses have fallen victims to HIV fight after getting infected by their patients through the equipment they use. She thus called for government's increased investment in the improvement of the health workers' working environment.
When we are doing operations, we do operations to all patients. But government has to put aside money for such type of people who are on payroll, so that they can eat well, and then even their families, because the drug weakens an individual, and then psychologically they really go through the counseling, but they are weakened.
This was during a meeting at the offices of the National Organization of Trade Unions in Tinda, a Kampala suburb. The Director General of Uganda AIDS Commission, Dr. David Chumuro Apuli, promised to get in touch with the responsible government bodies to ensure that nurses who fall victims to their profession are catered for by government. He, however, cautioned employers against sexually exploiting their employees, arguing that this partly explains why HIV/AIDS was increasing among working class.
It is a matter that requires discussion, because the employers are part of this movement of unions by themselves. This idea that in order to get something you must provide something is something we must get out of the minds of our people.
Last week, the Uganda Manufacturers Association and the Federation of Uganda Employers came up with a campaign to sensitize the corporate class on HIV and AIDS at their workplace. Through this, companies are to provide information and health care to their staff. According to George Tamale, the programs coordinator at the Federation of Uganda Employers, this was necessitated due to an increase in HIV and AIDS in this social class.
A very big contribution they can play, they can make in terms of fighting HIV/AIDS in this country. First of all, they are the majority of the workers in the country. Second, they have a very big force we can use in rolling out the HIV prevention messages.
The campaign is supported by Uganda AIDS Commission and the Global Fund in Uganda. Mubangizi, NBS Television.